Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if your Windows C drive is almost out of storage. So let me open my File Explorer first. Now click on this PC. So here for the Windows C drive, if this is almost out of space on your Windows, then what can you do to fix that? So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type here File Explorer. Click on it. Now here you have to simply click on this PC. Locate the Windows C drive. And then we need to scroll down and look for Windows. This one. Scroll down and look for the software distribution folder. And here you have to delete everything from here. So simply click one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard to select all the items. And then press Shift Delete to delete permanently. But you can also go on clicking the delete icon at the top. Click on Continue. And then close this window. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And here in the Disk Cleanup for Windows, you just have to simply check these boxes one by one. So these are large files. It will be stated from here the total amount of disk space that you can gain. Now click on OK. Click on Delete Files. And wait for the process to be done. Then go back to the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup again. Click on Disk Cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. This time you have to go on with Clean Up System Files. Click on OK and wait for the process to be done. Now once done, close this. Then go ahead again in the Windows search bar and type Run. Click on Run under the best match. Now this time type WS Reset. This is the command WS Reset. Hit Enter. So we are also going to clear the cache of our Microsoft Store. Then close this. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar again and type appwiz.cpl. Click on appwiz.cpl control panel item. And here you'll find all the programs installed on your Windows C drive. So what you can do is you just need to simply uninstall the program which is unnecessary and you are not using. Let's say for example, I have this PUBG Battlegrounds. Just simply click on that and then click on the uninstall option at the top. Click on yes. And now it has been uninstalled. Also this will do for all the applications that you are not using or which is unnecessary. Just simply uninstall that, because that will just take much space on your Windows C drive. And after you have done all the steps, finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, you will see the storage of your Windows C drive is not that full or you have just gained space for it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.